Alright, so we came off of Flagpole Knob and we're on Redfish Gap right now, looking for a campsite. So there's supposed to be a campsite up here. It's still 19 degrees and it's cold. But night wheeling's pretty neat, you know, so I guess that looks better in the picture, you know, the new experience, you know, being on the trail at night. It certainly changes all the perspectives of everything. So hopefully we'll be able to find a campsite here. Were you flashing your lights at me?
No, sorry, my bad.
So the trail coming off of Flagpole Knob was pretty easy. I think this is the campsite right here.
I bet when this road is wet, it is a mess.
Like it. I think we're gonna make it a campsite.
We finally got the site set up and the tents out. Really cold and just a different experience from what we're used to, but got the fire going even with the wind, and got things ready to start making dinner.
Got steak cooking and some coffee. And Jacob's doing mac and cheese. It's snowing, it's cold, but here we are.
We cleaned up from dinner and got everything put away for the night. Sat around, talked, enjoyed each other's company, hung out with Sam, and got ourselves ready for bed. So the weekend was a good weekend. We had a really good time, saw a lot of neat things. got to do a lot of neat things, and really enjoyed our time out, especially our time hanging out together. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you like what we're doing here, give us a like and subscribe, leave a comment if you want. And this is Fisher Jeep Adventures, and we'll talk to you next time.